my name is Kulraj and I'm a certificate student training in psychodrama at the London Centre for Psychodrama. I originally decided to go on this journey during COVID. I run a theatre company and we normally work with people's stories, and I really wanted to find a way that I could support people who have gone through traumatic experiences as they share their stories. So I thought it would be a perfect time to research what courses were out there, and I came across the London Centre for Psychodrama. At first, I was a little bit nervous about kind of how intense the course might be, seeing like a whole bunch of videos online of kind of sessions which are out there, and thinking, oh, actually I'm a bit nervous that it's really, really intense. But I've actually had a chance to start my course, and it's been absolutely lovely that that kind of worry, that fear is gone, because it's very evident very quickly that actually you're in a very safe place and you have the support of the other members in the group. And it's been really interesting actually starting my training during kind of the whole COVID pandemic, as psychodrama is really about being face to face and actually working with a group. So far we've done sessions online and through Zoom, which has worked perfectly well, and we've still been able to actually make connections with people who we're working with online. And I've had a chance to actually work with the other students in kind of smaller bubbles, where we've had a chance to start learning about the theory and kind of seeing some of the older students actually run some of the sessions and going through their skills. So it's been lovely so far to actually start kind of learning about psychodrama as a whole. So I really recommend, if you're interested in learning about psychodrama, please visit the London Centre for Psychodrama's website and actually have a little look at what events they're running, because it's a great way to get involved. And then if you decide, like me, to join the course, you won't regret it at all. So I really, really recommend it.